things around us is changing at a fast pace. So let's today look at the good, look at the glad, sad and mad part of things which are changing and things which are not. Fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, a very good evening.
Good evening.
So I have categorized things which are changing and which are not into three categories: the glad, the sad and the mad. So the first category, glad, is of those things which are changing around us and we are happy about it. So when was the last time you ever saw a typewriter? When was the last time you used your landline, if you have one, to make a call? When was the last time you stood in a queue to book your train tickets? The answer is, we don't remember. The computer, mobile phone and the internet has changed all of this. So what is this change doing? This change is dynamic. It's changing how the world is, and it's making sure that some of the companies which were a big thing in the past are no more existing. The mobile phone industry has virtually killed the public telephone booth, and so has the digital camera done to the photo studios. The Oxford Dictionary is planning not to have a printed version of its complete reference and just have an online one. Informally, the Income Tax Department of India has projected that their annual income through income tax collection would go up by 40,000 crore annually because of the implementation of the unique identification project in India. Because of this project, the dubious and the duplicate individuals would cease to exist. Yes, you are right. These changes are mostly because of the advancement in technology. So why are these changes happening? In the words of the SAP CEO, listen to what customer wants, but give them what we need. Listen to what customer wants, but give them what we need. Had the industry asked people what you want, we would have given them the nth version of the Walkman. But people at Apple, they understood the need of the people and gave them the revolutionary device called iPod. Going to the next, change management is the sad part of things. So the sad part of things are things which are changing and we are not very happy about it. Trees are being cut to build metros or to come up with residential or commercial projects. Many species of animals are becoming extinct day by day. The pollution is increasing, which is adversely affecting our health. It's not very far when the question will be asked, when will the human race become extinct? Let me share with you a personal example. Few weeks back, I went to Delhi. Since I was going there to meet some friends and my hometown is not Delhi, I decided not to inform my parents about it because I was sure if I do that, they will ask me hundreds of questions. So I went to Delhi, had a great time and came back on Monday morning. The same night, I got a call from my mom asking me, Beta, how come you went to Delhi and how come you didn't inform us? I was shocked. Then later I got to know that some friends of mine have uploaded few pics on Facebook and mentioned the occasion and the dates. Thanks to Facebook and few spy cousins of mine, I learned about the sad category of change that day, that privacy is a thing of the past. The third category, the sad category, the mad category is of those things which are not changing but we want them to change. Farmer suicide, honor killing, corruption, auto wallahs asking for 20 rupees extra even if you are going to the heart of the city are things which are not changing and we really want them to change. I don't know how many of these things can change, but there are many more in this list which can certainly change. Warren Buffett and Bill Gates are not just examples of the richest people in the world, but they stand out from among the rich people because they have decided they have pledged to donate almost all of their wealth for the betterment of humanity. I thought of looking for such fine and extraordinary examples in our own country. I didn't find any. So as I said, the glad, sad and mad things around us is changing the whole world. And some of them we are liking it and some we don't. So what do we do so that the list of glad things can grow and the list of sad and the mad things can cease to exist? Nobody can go back and start a new beginning. But we can start today and come up with a new ending. Over to you, Toshi.